Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some beautiful resin crystals, so let's jump in and get started. For one of my crystals, I'm going to be using this gorgeous Fair Winds Sparkler Glitter from Dryer Days Art Studio. It's a really pretty multi-shaped kind of cream toned glitter. I went ahead and mixed up my resin and my glitter off camera. This is what it's looking like. I'm using the clearcast 7050 resin from the epoxy resin store. I love it for projects in molds because it's a 2-to-1 ratio. It's a thinner viscosity and it has very few bubbles, so I really like it for my projects in molds. And this project is super simple and easy. I'm just pouring that resin and glitter into my mold here. This is the oval point mold from Lynn Donovan Art. I'll link her molds down below in the description box. And you just fill it up. I hit it with my heat gun on low just to pop any bubbles that may have kind of rised up to the top. And that's it. I just covered it up with an upside down storage container, let it dry for 24 hours. And now for the second crystal, I'm just going in with my clear resin, no colors or colorants or glitter added to this one. And then what I'm going to do is cut up some iridescent cellophane. Dryer Days sells some on her website along with the Fairwinds glitter. And what you do is just cut it up into small pieces. And of course, my camera stopped filming when I added it to this oval point mold, but I'm going to show you how to do it on this crystal that I'm working on here. What I like to do is just take that cut up cellophane, put it in a little cup, take a toothpick, dip it in some resin, and then grab a piece of the cellophane and put it back right on top of the wet resin there. Just like that, and you can push it down into some of the crystals if you want to too. And that's it. Super simple and easy. And same thing, I covered it up, let it dry for 24 hours. And this is the crystal I made with the Fairwinds glitter. To demold this, you're going to want to just pull the edges loose and then take your thumbs and push it from the back. That kind of just pushes it out of there. It's a little bit tricky to demold, but it's not anything, too complicated. It's actually pretty easy to get out of the mold once you pull the edges loose. And check it out. Look at how pretty. I just love all the facets on the crystals. It sparkles so nicely. And here in a second, I'll show you what it looks like in natural lighting. I've been having to do all my resin out on the patio, so I'm kind of at the mercy of sunlight in terms of lighting, but I'll show you here in another clip what it looks like in the natural light. It's a really, really gorgeous crystal. And here's the one I used the iridescent film on. Super pretty as well. It came out really clear. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I mixed up my resin off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments and glitters and all that good stuff, I will link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. I just cut the mixing out of this video to save time, so be sure to check that out if you're new to resin. It's got lots of great information. And this is the clear crystal that we added that iridescent film to. It's just so gorgeous. I love them both. I think they're both really, really pretty. And here they are in natural light. Check out all the little prisms that it casts on the wall when the sunlight hits it. It's just so pretty. I absolutely love this mold. It's going to be so fun. I can add these pieces to my geodes. I'm excited to start making some geodes again. I'm going to be making some of those soon. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. And this one is the Fairwinds glitter crystal that I made. This one turned out really pretty as well. You can see that glitter just sparkle in there. The sparkler glitters from Dryer Days Art Studio are just gorgeous. They're kind of just, I like to call them mixology glitters because they have all different sizes of glitter in them. So they just really have a unique, beautiful sparkle. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll be sure to link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. Thanks again for watching. I will see you guys on Friday for another video. Bye!